everyone. Today we are going to solve the MCQ of Science 1 of class standard 10. Okay. Board MCQs. Lesson number 2, periodic classification of element and chemical equations. Okay. Let's begin. First question is, Dobereiner laid down the rule: A. Periodic, B. Modern periodic, C. Triad, D. Octave. Correct answer is triad. Second, Newland law is applicable up to A. Oxygen, B. Calcium, C. Cobalt, D. Potassium. Correct answer is calcium. Third, X and Y are the two elements having similar property which obey Newland's law of octave. The minimum and maximum number of electrons in between X and Y respectively are A. 6 and 8, B. 7 and 15, C. 8 and 14, D. 6 and 13. Correct answer is 6 and 13. Next, at the time of Mendeleev, dash element were known: A. 56, B. 65, C. 63, D. 130. Correct answer is 63. Next, in Mendeleev periodic table, Eka silicon was named as A. Scandium, B. Gallium, C. Germanium, D. Thorium. Correct answer is germanium. In modern periodic table, the number of columns and period are respectively A. 16 and 7, B. 6 and 16, C. 18 and 7, D. 18 and 6. Correct answer is 18,7. Next, is the outermost shell for element period 2 A. K, B. L, C, M, D, N. Correct answer is L. The group 1 and 2 constitute the dash block: A. S block, B. P block, C. D block, and D. F block. Correct answer is S block. Which pair of atomic number represent element in a same group? A. 11,19, B. 6,12, C. 4,16, D. 8,17. Correct answer is 11,19. Which among the following element would lose an electron easily? A. Magnesium, B. Sodium, C. Aluminium, D. Chlorine. Correct answer is sodium. Which among the following is the largest element? A. Sodium, B. Magnesium, C. Potassium, D. Calcium. Correct answer is potassium. Which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the modern periodic table? A. Atomic radius, B. Metallic character, C. valency, D. Number of cells. Correct answer is valency. On moving from left to right in a modern periodic table, the size of the atom: A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Decrease first then increase, D. Does not change. Correct answer is decrease. Next, which of the following statement about the modern periodic table is correct? A. 18 horizontal row are known as period, B. 7 vertical column are known as period, C. 18 vertical column are known as group, D. 7 horizontal row are known as period. Correct answer is 18 vertical column are known as group. Next question. The D block element are called as dash dash element. A. Transition, B. Metalloid, C. Normal, D. Inner transition. Correct answer is transition element. Next. The size of the atom is indicated by it. First, option A, atomic number, B, atomic radius, C, number of cell, D, atomic mass. Correct answer is atomic radius. Dash dash is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost cell. A. Atomic radius, B. Atomic diameter, C. Atomic mass, and D is atomic size. Correct answer is atomic radius. Atomic radius is expressed in a unit. A. Nanometer, B. Picometer, C. Micrometer, and D. Millimeter. Correct answer is picometer. Next, the tendency of an element to form cation is the character of that element. A. Non-metallic, B. Basic, C. Metallic, D. Acidic. Correct answer is metallic. Next, dash dash is in liquid form in the halogen family. A. Fluorine, B. Chlorine, C. Bromine, D. Iodine. Correct answer is bromine. While going from top to bottom in a group, the atomic radius. First, option A, increase, B, decrease, C, remain same, D, no change occur. Correct answer is increase. Next, the tendency of an element to form anion is the character of that element. A. Non-metallic, B. Basic, C. Metallic, D. Acidic. Correct answer is non-metallic. Next, the element from the zero group are called A. Alkali metal, B. Alkali earth metal, C. Hydrogen, D. Noble gas. Correct answer is noble gas. Next, writing a chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formulae is called as A. Chemical change, B. Chemical symbol, C. Chemical equation, and D. Chemical reaction. Correct answer is chemical equation. When the positive charge on an ion increases or the negative charge on them decreases is called as A. Reduction, B. Corrosion, C. Oxidation, D. Decomposition. Correct answer is oxidation. Next, the chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant are called dash dash reaction. A. Decomposition, B. Combination, C. Displacement, and D. Double displacement. Correct answer is decomposition. Next, in a chemical equation, the dash 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 are written on the left hand side. A. Product, B. Reactant, C. Element, D. Catalyst. Correct answer is reactant. Aqueous solution of zinc sulfate is added in an aqueous solution of barium chloride. This is the example of that dash reaction. A. Displacement, B. Double displacement, C. Redox, D. Reduction. Correct answer is double. Okay, this is the beauty of second and third chapter. Okay, try to solve all the MCQs given in the videos and share these videos with your friends. Okay. and try to share all members of group 10th. Okay, let's we meet in the next video.